Now you can get more granularity in your view control if you set a filter. For example, let's ask to see only those paragraphs that include the word architecture. Turn that filter on, and let's ask to turn the numbering on so we can get our bearings when we get there. Now you can get even more granularity in your view by setting a filter. For example, let's ask to see only those paragraphs that include the word architecture. Turn that filter on, and let's go ahead and turn the numbers on when we get there so we can get our bearings. And there you are. Now it's important to note this is not the results of a find like a list. This is just another view of the file filtered through the filter that we set. So you can still jump, you can still set your view specs, you can use the zoom buttons. It's all active. Okay, let's turn that filter off. And let's try another filter. Let's ask to see only those paragraphs that include the word view specs. And I'll turn that filter on. Now I want you to notice while we're here that on and off is controlled by a view spec. So it's view spec I to turn them on and J to turn the filtering off. And let's see, we don't need this anymore. So that's just for your future reference because we're going to use that pretty soon. Okay, let's see that filter. And voila! Now that we know what the view specs are for turning the filter on and off, let's go ahead and turn it off this way. That was view spec J. I happen to remember that. And now we're going to get it fancy and we're going to try all three of these features in combination. Let's go ahead and say jump item 8, and we'll turn on the filter, view spec I, and let's go. And voila. You can scroll down and see that. Okay. And let's go ahead and turn that off. View spec J. Turn the filtering off, and let's go back to item 1.